Hey everybody, it's Sunday. You know what that means? Time for Sundays with Stacy. So grab some coffee and let's see what we've been up to this week. This week, I'd love to hear what is going on in your life too. So if you have a vlog or some updates, please feel free to share them in the comments. We can compare notes on what's going on in our lives. And as always, please subscribe, please comment, and let me know what's going on with you and any tips you might have for me when you see what I'm doing. So today, Lily and I have a lot to do. I've been busy this weekend. We had some car drama that I will update you on Thursday when I do Thursday's thrifty tip because it goes right along with that. And I just have a lot of household chores to catch up on today. We have had a ton of snow this week. How about you? What's it like where you live? And where I really want to be is out here. It looks like we got more snow overnight. We had at least a foot of snow on the ground as of Friday, up to my knees in places even. So I don't know where we're at now, but we've got snow. So I need to come out and kind of take care of some of the snow and do all my outside chores too. All right, I'll share a little bit. See that car right there? We love that car. We bought that car on December 2nd. We still cannot get a title to that car from the dealer. So it looks like as of this week, that car has to go back and we get our money. So now I'm in a scramble trying to find a new car that fits in my budget because remember, we're living debt-free. Busy times for me mean really boring times for this one over here. With all the snow, I was hoping to go maybe cross-country skiing today, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. We have a sick kid with the flu that we've been hearing about is going around, so I hope she's feeling better today, but I'm pretty sure she's not going to want to ski. And I hate to leave her alone when she's laying around miserable, so that's out. But hopefully I can take this one and we can go at least somewhere and do a snowy hike because it's beautiful here. So, are you ready? Let's go see what's going on, and we definitely have those little chicks to check on that we set last week. I'm a list person. Are there any other list people out there? And I feel like my list is out of control. So my first thing on my agenda today is to get this list in order and find out what is going on with my life. This is Cammie's really busy, stressed out Sunday, just like every other day. Notice she's not a list person. Groceries should have happened on Friday. It's Sunday and I still don't have them. So what I like to do groceries is I make a menu and then I have this handy dandy grocery list that I go fill out. So I'm going to be doing that today. How do you do your groceries and do your lists? How about this? I have got tons of hatching eggs going out. Plus I'm getting eggs for my incubator. They're sitting around in my office tipped up so I can rotate them, because my garage is a little too cold. I've also got some in my basement. So I got to get this all sorted out and figure out which eggs are going where. But who cares about household chores when you can hatch chickens? Let's go see what's going on with those, right? Here they are. This is my incubator. It is full of eggs. So we're going to candle them and see what's going on. I'm looking forward to it. Since it's been 1 week, we're going to candle and use the new candler that Steve made. There he is. I'm excited to try it out. He assures me that this is so bright that I might even be able to see through those super dark brown eggs. So let's see what happens. This thing is so bright it completely blinded me. So now we have to figure out how to make a shield. Okay, this egg was set 7 days ago. So you can see veining in the egg. And if we watch, we may actually see that little embryo come up. There's definitely development in there. We've got some veining. Can you see the eyeball down there at the bottom, that little spot? It just came moving over. It probably is getting his eyes burned out by this light, but there it is. And as I turn the egg around, we can see oops, there we can see the little little embryo at the bottom there. You can see his little eye. I'm curious as to how many of you out there kind of subscribe to the minimalism mindset a little bit. I do a little bit. I would call myself a what? Minimalist? Minimalist? Because I still have stuff. I have stockpiles of things, but I have really done a lot to get it down to what I need. And one of my goals this year, this winter, is to go through my canning shelves and get things out of here that we're not using, that have been up here for a couple years that I haven't even thought about using. I had, I don't know how many jars of jelly and jams that we don't even use. So those have been gotten out of here. So this winter, my goal is to basically have my shelves clear and to get to a system where I am preserving only what we're going to use. And I'm okay with even like 2 years, but it's going to be what we actually use, and I'm going to keep evaluating it at least once a year. So stuff is getting off the shelves, and I'm not spending a lot of extra work and time and money messing around putting things up that we're never going to use. So there's my last butternut squash. I'm so sad. So that's a big project, and it's been very enlightening, and it's just something you learn, I think, over gardening over the years as to how to avoid making an inheritance of 30-year-old green beans to leave to your grandchildren. I really don't want to do that. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this morning to see what's going on in my life. I'd love to hear in the comments what's going on with yours. If you have any tips that you want to share for me to make my life easier as you see me stumbling along, I'd love to hear them. And I will see you on Thursday for Thrifty Thursday Tips. Have a great Sunday.